Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We are in Key West, Florida, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a tour. You guys are seeing in back of me, that is the southernmost point. That means that from there on is 90 miles to Cuba. Mind you, from Miami to Key West is 180, so we're very close. And for those of you who don't know, I was born in Cuba, in Santa Clara, Villa Clara, and that's in the smack middle of the island. This is a beach cafe, and it's right by the water, so I'm guessing that it's in there. You know what, let's go see the prices. Let's see what they have. They also have a photo booth right here. I think that's kind of cool. And then these are the cafe hours, 8 to 9. And then this is what they have inside. It's a little restaurant next to the water. Right now it's very sunny. I can barely open my eyes, but just so you know, it's around 80s right now. And here in Florida, for us, this is fall because it's not in the 90s. But when you're out in the sun, like, it feels very warm and it's very humid. So keep that in mind. This, my friend, is the world famous Lobster Pizza Seaside Café bar. Ooh, look how pretty it is. And then the Seaside Cafe, and then that is the hostess over there, and look at the beautiful view. So I'm guessing it's this part right here where the restaurants are at, well, the restaurant, and then this is the entrance. You know, let's go see inside. You only live once, and it's better to say I'm sorry than to ask for permissions. So, oh, it looks like an office. Oh no, this is an office. Never mind. It's an office. Going down. Do come with comfortable shoes because you're going to be doing a lot of walking. So let's go on to the main street. They also have kiosks where you can come and you can book tours. So they have one for dolphin watching, snorkeling, and the Tiki sunset. Then they have this other one here, that they have pina colada, rum runner, margarita, strawberry, daiquiri, virgin blue raspberry. That looks really good. And then towards that side, they have construction, but I don't know if the 90 Southern Point thingy-majingy was over there initially. Well, we don't know. So let's just walk around. Oh, look, Sandy's Cafe. Sandy's Cafe. They have live music, country music. Something that I want to point out is that here in Key West is a high season all throughout the year because of the weather. In Florida, maybe once a year, if we're lucky, we'll get temperatures like in the 40s, high 50s. And for us, that is insanely cold. We're not used to that weather. So I know that in other states, that's actually beach weather. But since, oh God, having a little bit of parking situation. So let's go.
Okay, turn your wheel. Turn your wheel now. You're gonna miss the other way. All right, there you go. Turn your wheel. Wrong way, wrong way.
Oh my God. The guy can't park right. He's trying to get out, but he's not listening to directions. Look at this house, how beautiful it is. It's not a house actually, it's a hotel. And so they have a place that's a butterfly world per se, and then the butterflies fly towards you. This is the entrance. Everything is so pretty, it has butterflies all throughout. Look at that, how pretty. Oh wow. Oh, it's really nice. Wow, very beautiful. And then this is like a shop. They have a little bit of everything. Like, you can buy merch from Key West. The price for this is $50. Honestly, no. Oh, they have chocolate, I think. Nope, that's a notebook. I used to love these when I was a kid. Love them. So then, where's the actual museum?
Enter is $17.50 per person.
Here they explain to you a little bit about the butterflies, the life cycle, how it goes from a caterpillar to a butterfly metamorphosis. Look how pretty. Oh, these are the types of butterflies. Look how pretty. So this was $17.95 per person, correct? $17.50 per person if you have a child or if you're a senior. If you're from the military, they do offer a discount, so make sure you watch for that. So when you go in, you're not allowed to touch the butterflies. They can fly onto you, but you can't touch them. So there's one over there. Look how beautiful. And then here, they're eating. I hope the yellow butterflies, if there's one, flies onto me. I hope so. So then, look at them up close. How beautiful. Wow, it's very peaceful in here. It's very, very peaceful. I'm gonna stretch my arm and see if one of them wants to land on me. Oh, Sandy. There's a butterfly on you. Sandy has that for animals. Animals really like him. Look at this one. Wow. Whoa. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of like freaked out. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna stretch out my arm and see if one of them wants to land on me. Let's see. Okay, no luck. I think, look at Sandy, he still has the butterfly on him. Una mariposa amarilla que se me pose. Welcome to the Seaside Café at the mansion here in Key West, also known as Ocean Bar. This hidden gem sits right by the sea, giving you the most relaxing ocean views while you eat. We started with their delicious conch fritters, perfectly golden and full of flavor. But the real star of the show, their famous lobster pizza. It's fresh, cheesy, and honestly one of the best bites you can have on the island. What makes this place even better is that the prices are surprisingly good for Key West, and you get to enjoy all of it literally just steps from the water. If you're visiting Key West, this is one spot you won't want to miss. We have made it to the end of the video. Please be sure to subscribe because I have more Key West vlogs coming up.